morning.
Good morning, everyone. I don't even know what time it is. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's like 10 to 8. Ready to go to town today. Woohoo!
It's Big Arch Day.
Only Kevin's excited for that one.
I am super excited to try it. Maybe two. Yeah.
It was a nice, beautiful morning out this morning. There was a nice sunrise coming up over there. As you can tell, the weather is changing. So it looks like we might get rained on.
We don't under those words.
I hope not, though.
All right, today we have 16.7 miles with 2,165 feet of ascent and 2,979 feet of descent into the town of Dalton, where we will wash our clothes. Because my
shower.
socks stink.
Yeah, they do. I was going to make him put them in a plastic bag last night. That's how stinky they were. But I didn't. I just stuck with it.
Poor Kevin.
I know, right?
Anyway, my socks were probably stinky too.
Yeah, how do you know yours didn't combine with mine to make one big
stink cloud?
Yeah.
Over our tent? I don't know. Anyway, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
It is 12:39. We are 6.3 miles away from our final destination. We just stopped for a couple seconds. Kevin had something in his sock that he had to get out, so he is adjusting his shoes right now. There is a lot of rocks today, and there's a lot of vines, like thorn vines. Like Trip got all tangled up on his pants, and then like we keep having like little cuts on us, scratches. So, but all in all, today's an alright day. The sun has been peeking out a little bit, but it's still kind of cloudy out. It is warm though. We have about almost 4 miles until we get to a road.
Doug Trailhead. Fun fact, Doug Mountain, which we're going to get to here in about 4 miles.
Doug spelled D-U-G, right?
Yep. Is named after the old pioneer road that was cut out of the mountain there. They just named it because it was dug out of the mountain. Doug Mountain. Plain and simple.
Fun facts with Kevin. Overall, we have a little over 6 miles until we're at our final destination, and we're very excited about that because we are
excited for the big arch.
I'm excited for a shower. We're so sweaty right now. Blech.
I just want to try the big arch. That's all I care about. That's why this
I am hungry.
Time is dilated to slow, because all I can think about is eating the big arch.
I am very hungry for some McDonald's, so anyway, we're gonna sit here a couple more minutes, procrastinate a little bit longer,
yeah,
and then keep going. 2:40. We made it to our highest point of the day. Those towers back there. So now we have 2.5 miles left and about 1,000 feet of descent to go. So mostly downhill from here.
And a beautiful breeze
And
right
yes, there's a nice breeze.
here. That felt so great.
That was lovely. Hopefully we get more of that. Next stop, town. Woo!
Golden Arches.
Woo woo!
Hey, you hiking with Pinhoti, bro?
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, we're at McDonald's. Kevin got his big arch. Here, let's see his reaction.
It's like a Big Mac to me.
And? Is it delicious?
It smells good.
It's pretty good. What do you think about it?
It's messy.
Do they have a name?
Good morning, everyone, from cloudy, rainy Dalton. It is almost 9 o'clock this morning. We had the time change last night, so
We all lost
jumped
an hour
ahead.
of sleep.
But whatever, we're walking across town today. That's about all we got going on. It's gonna be 100% road walk.
It's alright. We got 20 to
Yeah.
25 miles.
It is
Easy
alright
day. Nice
because
and cruisy.
we do get to pass, you know, some gas stations and maybe
Grocery stores,
some
Dollar General.
places to eat some snacks and lunch and stuff. So we're gonna do a little bit of resupply towards the end of our day. I don't really know. I don't got much else. Trip's still inside, getting his stuff ready.
Yeah, it's stay dry today.
Yeah, it is gonna rain. It's gonna start raining here in a little bit. Nope, we're gonna stay dry.
Think if you jumped off this, you'd make it?
Yeah, onto that roof. It's 11:30 and we have not made it very far through town. We still have like 20 miles left to go. I've already stopped at 2 gas stations to pee, and we stopped for lunch.
But now we're gonna focus up.
Let's hope. We still have to do our resupply in a little bit too. So it's gonna be, at least the sun goes down late.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Did I tell you that Dalton was the carpet capital of the world?
You did tell me that.
In 1895, a local teenager, Catherine Whitener, began tufting bedspreads as the cotton industry. This evolved into mechanized tufting, shifting from bedspreads to carpets. By the mid-20th century, Dalton became the carpet capital of the world, home to over 150 carpet plants. Today it produces a huge portion, often cited as 75% or more, of US/global tufted carpets and rugs.
Interesting.
Yeah, wow. It's 3:30. We just got done taking a break at the Dollar General. We're on a new road now. We have 9.1 miles left. The shoulder on this road is much smaller.
It's non-existent.
And the traffic is much heavier. It's all right though. We're making by. We got 6.5 more miles to our next Dollar General, where we'll probably resupply for the next 2.5 days, and then we are complete with the Pinhoti. Woo! As you can see from the arrowhead earlier and that sign, today we were walking along portions of the Trail of Tears National Historic Trail. It commemorates the forced removal of over 16,000 Cherokee and other tribes by the U.S. government in 1838 to 1839 from their homelands to designated Indian Territory in Oklahoma. The 5,043-mile trail spans over water and land routes across 9 states, marking a tragic journey where thousands died. The removal followed the Indian Removal Act of 1830, resulting in the death of an estimated 4,000 Cherokee from hunger, cold, and exhaustion. It serves as a memorial to the loss and survival of the Cherokee Nation and other tribes, often called a dark chapter in American history. We made it to our Dollar General resupply location. We went to the Chevron here, hoping to get some Hunt's Pizzas before we leave the area. They didn't have any made. So now we're gonna go check out Shell. Strike 2, Shell station had no hot food.
Even though the door said cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Probably.
All right, we struck out. Nowhere this Sunday had hot food or microwavable food for that matter either. So then we went to go get some cup of noodles for dinner tonight, and all of them are expired. So ramen it is again.
All right, we made it to camp. This is going to be our spot for the night. There is a road just right down there. You might be able to see it. And the trail, I think, is just right there. So overall, we went 22-ish miles.
I had 22.77.
So about 23 miles today. And we made it before it's dark, so.
Ah! They were not slowing down.